we are going to explore some basic conversations based on the lessons that we learned earlier. So in an informal context, how would you greet somebody and ask how they are doing? Let's start.
Hello, Maria. Hello, Maria.
Hello, Jonas. Hello, Jonas.
We get us, dear. How are you?
Good, dear. Good. And you?
Yes, good. All's good.
Okay, and now let's do the same but in a formal context.
Guten Tag from Schmidt. Good day, Miss Schmidt.
Guten Tag, Herr Meyer. Good day, Herr Meyer.
Wie geht es Ihnen? How are you?
Mir geht es sehr gut. Danke. Und Ihnen? I'm doing really well. Thank you. And you? So that's the formal context. Now, Frau Schmidt and Herr Meyer. When we are speaking in German, we address a woman with Frau. That's the same as Mrs. or even Miss. And when we are addressing a man, we use the word Herr, which means the same as Mr. So, thank you. This is it for today's lesson, but please practice the activities and our AI assistant, Mori, will help you with those.